Flirting is an intricate and playful form of communication that transcends mere words. It's a subtle art that conveys attraction, interest, and connection between individuals without the need for extensive verbal interaction. Understanding body language is crucial in flirting, as it allows individuals to express their feelings and gauge the interest of others effectively. In this video, we'll delve deep into the key aspects of body language in flirting, share actionable tips for successful interactions, and identify common pitfalls to avoid. By the end, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to utilize body language to enhance your flirting game and create meaningful connections. Understanding flirting. Flirting serves various purposes in social interactions. It breaks the ice, creates attraction, and tests mutual interest. At its core, flirting is about connection and playfulness. It's a blend of verbal and non-verbal signals that can lead to deeper interactions. Research indicates that a significant portion of our communication, up to 93%, is non-verbal. This means that body language is essential in flirting. Flirting is not merely about expressing interest. It's also about creating an atmosphere of fun and excitement. It's about reading the room and responding to the other person's signals, creating an engaging interaction where both parties feel comfortable. The beauty of flirting lies in its spontaneity. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it, and the signals you send with your body. In a world where many interactions can feel scripted or rehearsed, flirting adds a spontaneous and genuine element to socializing. It allows individuals to showcase their personalities while gauging interest in a playful manner. Flirting can also serve as a way to build confidence and self-esteem, as the act of attracting someone can be incredibly empowering. Additionally, flirting can create a sense of anticipation and excitement. The thrill of flirting often comes from the uncertainty of the other person's feelings, which can heighten the emotional stakes and make the interaction more thrilling. This dance of attraction can lead to genuine connections, whether it's a fleeting encounter or the start of a deeper relationship. Key body language signals in flirting. Understanding key body language signals can significantly enhance your flirting skills. Here are some essential signals to look for and utilize. 1. Eye contact. Eye contact is one of the most powerful forms of non-verbal communication. It communicates interest, confidence, and attentiveness. When you maintain eye contact, particularly for a few seconds, it can create a sense of intimacy. However, balance is key. Too much eye contact can feel intense or intimidating. Example: if you're at a social gathering and you catch someone's eye, hold their gaze for a moment, then smile. This simple action can convey genuine interest and encourage them to approach you. Moreover, playful eye contact can be enhanced with a wink or a raised eyebrow, adding a flirty touch that can make the interaction feel more exciting. Studies have shown that eye contact can increase feelings of attraction. When two people maintain eye contact, their brain releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone, which can enhance feelings of connection. So, don't underestimate the power of your gaze. 2. Smiling. A genuine smile can light up your face and convey warmth. It makes you appear more approachable and inviting. Smiling can also create a positive atmosphere that encourages interaction. Example: when you first meet someone, offer a warm, friendly smile. This sets a welcoming tone and encourages the other person to engage with you. A smile can also be used to soften a playful tease or joke, ensuring that your intentions come across as light-hearted rather than overly serious. Furthermore, smiles can be contagious. When you smile at someone, they're likely to smile back, creating a positive feedback loop that enhances the interaction. This mutual exchange can create an instant bond, making both parties feel more comfortable and connected. 3. Leaning in. Physical proximity plays a crucial role in flirting. Leaning in during a conversation signals that you are engaged and interested in what the other person is saying. This subtle shift can create a sense of closeness and intimacy. Example: if you're talking to someone at a bar or party, lean in slightly when they speak. This shows that you are attentive and invested in the conversation, enhancing the feeling of connection. Additionally, leaning in can indicate a desire to share secrets or personal thoughts, which can heighten attraction. Body language experts suggest that the distance between individuals can convey different levels of intimacy. For instance, standing too far away may signal disinterest, while leaning in can create a sense of closeness that encourages further conversation. 4. Playful touches. Light, casual touches can enhance flirtation. These touches should be appropriate and consensual. A gentle touch on the arm, shoulder, or back can increase intimacy and connection. Example: if you're laughing at a shared joke, a light tap on the arm can reinforce the bond and signal your interest. However, it's crucial to be mindful of personal boundaries. Gauge the other person's comfort level with physical touch. If they lean away or seem uncomfortable, it's essential to respect their space. Research in psychology suggests that physical touch can release oxytocin, the love hormone, which can enhance feelings of closeness and trust. Light touches can create a sense of intimacy, but it's essential to ensure that the other person is receptive to such gestures. Subtle signals. Look for subtle cues, such as hair twirling, fidgeting with jewelry, or leaning towards you. These actions can indicate nervousness or attraction. Being aware of these signals helps gauge the other person's interest. Example: if the person you're flirting with plays with their hair while looking at you, it often signals they are attracted to you. Similarly, if they mirror your movements, leaning in when you do, or mimicking your gestures, this can indicate a connection. Additionally, if someone frequently glances at you or tries to catch your eye across the room, it's a strong signal of interest. Being observant of these subtle cues can help you navigate the dynamics of flirting more effectively. Flirting situations. Flirting can occur in various contexts, and understanding the setting can influence how body language is expressed. Here are a few common situations where flirting often takes place. Bars and clubs. These lively environments often encourage more exaggerated body language. People lean in closely, make frequent eye contact, and engage in playful touches. The atmosphere is charged with energy, making it easier to flirt. In these settings, you may also notice individuals using their bodies to create space for interaction, such as stepping closer during a conversation or positioning themselves to face their romantic interest directly. The loud music and bustling environment can make non-verbal cues even more critical, as people rely on them to communicate their interest. Social events. At parties or gatherings, the environment is typically more relaxed. Flirting here might involve subtle cues, shared laughter, or lingering glances across the room. The casual setting allows for a more organic flow of conversation, making it easier to engage with others. Circulating among groups and making eye contact with someone across the room can lead to spontaneous interactions, enhancing the excitement of the event. It's common to see people gravitating toward those they find attractive, creating natural opportunities for connection. Online interactions. In the digital age, flirting has also moved online. During video calls or over social media, body language remains important. Leaning closer to the camera, using animated facial expressions, and maintaining eye contact can convey interest even through a screen. Additionally, using emojis and playful language can enhance the flirtation, but don't underestimate the power of video calls. Your body language still matters. For instance, leaning in to emphasize a point or using hand gestures can make your conversation more engaging and dynamic. Tips for successful flirting. Now that we've covered the key signals, let's explore some actionable tips to enhance your flirting skills. 1. Be confident. Confidence is incredibly attractive. Stand tall, maintain good posture, and project positivity. Your body language should reflect self-assurance. Tip: practice power poses before social events to boost your confidence. Standing tall with your shoulders back can change how you perceive yourself and how others perceive you. Remember, confidence comes from within, so focus on your strengths and what makes you unique. When you feel good about yourself, it shows, and others are drawn to that energy. 2. Use open body language. Open body language invites connection. Keep your arms uncrossed and face the person you're interested in. This openness signals that you are approachable and engaged. Tip: avoid crossing your arms or legs, as this can signal defensiveness or disinterest. Instead, try to keep your hands visible. Resting them on the table or gently gesturing can enhance the interaction. Open body language can also make you feel more confident and relaxed, creating a positive feedback loop that benefits both you and the person you're flirting with. 3. Be attentive. Pay close attention to the signals being sent. If you notice the other person leaning in, maintaining eye contact, or smiling back, it's a sign to continue engaging. Tip: reflect back on their expressions and body language to show that you're actively listening and interested. Nodding or responding with affirmations can reinforce your engagement and encourage the other person to share more. Practice active listening. Engage fully in the conversation by nodding and responding thoughtfully. This shows that you value what the other person has to say and helps build rapport. Tip: ask open-ended questions that encourage the other person to share more about themselves. This not only keeps the conversation flowing, but also shows your interest in their thoughts and feelings. Active listening can also include summarizing what the other person has said to show that you're genuinely engaged. Phrases like, "So what you're saying is," can demonstrate your attentiveness. 5. Be playful. Incorporate humor and light teasing into your interactions. Playfulness can create a fun atmosphere and make flirting feel effortless. Tip: use playful banter to keep the mood light. However, be mindful of the other person's reactions to ensure your humor resonates. If they laugh and engage back, you're on the right track. Remember, the goal is to create a relaxed environment where both of you can enjoy the moment. Playfulness can also help to diffuse any awkwardness that might arise during the interaction. Recognizing when to dial it back. Reading the other person's body language is crucial for successful flirting. If you notice signs of discomfort, such as crossed arms, looking away, or leaning back, it's essential to respect their space and dial it back. Flirting should always be fun and consensual. Tip: if you feel the energy shift, take a step back and give them space. This shows that you respect their boundaries and can make them feel more comfortable. It's important to create an environment where both parties feel safe and valued. Additionally, if the other person seems distracted or disinterested, it might be best to gracefully exit the conversation. Not every interaction will lead to a connection, and that's perfectly okay. Common flirting mistakes to avoid. While flirting can be fun, there are common pitfalls to be aware of. Overly aggressive approaches. Being too forward or invading personal space can be off-putting. It's important to gauge the other person's comfort level and adjust accordingly. Misreading signals. Pay close attention to cues. Misinterpreting interest can lead to awkward situations. If their body language is closed off, it may be a sign to change tactics. Self-awareness. Ensure your own body language reflects interest. Avoid coming off as disinterested by maintaining open and inviting gestures. Neglecting personal hygiene and appearance. While this may seem unrelated, putting effort into your appearance can enhance your confidence and make you more appealing. A fresh look and good grooming can go a long way in flirting successfully. Talking. Too much about yourself. Flirting should be a two-way street. Ensure you're not dominating the conversation and actively invite the other person to share their thoughts and experiences. Ignoring contextual cues. Every social setting has its unique dynamics. What works in a casual bar might not work in a formal gathering. Tailor your flirting style to fit the environment and the people present. Being too serious. Flirting is meant to be fun and light-hearted. If you approach it too seriously, it can create tension and discomfort. Embrace the playful nature of flirting and allow yourself to enjoy the moment. In conclusion, body language plays a vital role in flirting and can significantly enhance your dating experiences. By understanding and practicing these signals, you can create meaningful connections and improve your interactions. Remember, flirting is not just about attraction. It's about creating a fun and engaging atmosphere where both parties feel comfortable. Flirting is a skill that can be developed over time. The more you practice, the more natural it will become. Embrace the process, enjoy the interactions, and don't be afraid to be yourself. Authenticity is key to successful flirting. People are drawn to those who are genuine and comfortable in their own skin. As you navigate the world of flirting, keep in mind that everyone has their unique style. What works for one person may not resonate with another. Therefore, it's essential to remain adaptable and open to different approaches while staying true to your personality. Ultimately, the goal of flirting is to connect with others and create a sense of enjoyment and excitement. Whether it leads to a romantic relationship or simply a fun interaction, the experience of flirting can be rewarding and fulfilling. What are your thoughts on flirting? Share your experiences or tips in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Stoic Lord for more dating advice. Let's keep the conversation going and happy flirting. Remember, the best connections often come from being true to yourself and enjoying the moment. Embrace the excitement of flirting, and who knows, your next encounter could lead to something wonderful.